Hey y'all, I'm Hisha, founder of the DIY Entrepreneurs and the lead facilitator for the Scale Up Sessions. With over 15 years of experience as a bookkeeper, starting with QuickBooks Desktop and now specializing in QuickBooks Online, I've helped small business owners set up and manage their QuickBooks Online system. I also teach QuickBooks Online for a local business accelerator program. And based on the experiences of some of those entrepreneurs, I've decided to create the Start to Scale program to provide trusted and practical insight to help you get the most out of QuickBooks Online and at least do the setup of QuickBooks Online on your own. In this way, you're building confidence with the system and confidence in your business. Let's dive right into today's topic. Today, we'll walk through how to add your bank and credit card accounts to QuickBooks Online. By linking these accounts, QuickBooks will automatically download your transactions, making it much easier to track your finances. This step will save you time and keep your financial data organized. QuickBooks allows this to be a very simple and easy process. So the first thing we'll do is connect your business bank account. From the QuickBooks dashboard, you want to go to the banking section and click the button on top that says Link Account. Here you can search for your bank, and then once you find it, you can log in using your online banking credentials and authorize the connection with QuickBooks in your bank. This process will sync your bank account with QuickBooks, allowing it to automatically download all of your transactions so that you can easily categorize them later. You want to keep in mind and have a thought of how far you're going to go back. Sometimes during this process, some banks will ask, at what date do you want to start the download of your transactions? And so you want to make sure you have that date in mind. If not, it's going to download all of your transactions from the moment that you opened that account, which can sometimes be overwhelming if you're going back and you're just starting the setup process. The second thing we'll do is add your credit card accounts, which is just like adding your bank account. You're going to go to the banking section again and click the Link Account button. This time you're going to search for your credit card provider. Log in using your credentials again, and you're going to connect that account. This is going to ensure that your business expenses are all downloaded from your credit card, your business credit card, as well as your business banking account. This is especially helpful for staying on top of spending and organizing everything for tax season. I have run into situations where people bank with credit unions that may not be able to set up and connect their bank account to their QuickBooks Online system. In this way, you would want to do a manual upload for your bank account transaction. If your bank or your credit card provider doesn't support that automatic syncing and connection with QuickBooks, you can still get your transactions in. It will take additional steps. However, there is still a way. So you can still manually upload transactions. And you want to do that by start downloading your bank or your credit card transactions from your financial institution, that website. You're not going to do this within QuickBooks, this step. You're going to go and log into your bank account or your credit card account, and you're going to download a supported format like CSV or comma separated values or a QuickBooks Online file. Then you're going to head back over to QuickBooks. You're going to go to the banking section, and then you're going to click Upload Transactions. You get that option from the Link Account button, and then you'll see the drop down. It'll say Upload Transactions. You want to select the file wherever you saved it on your desktop or your computer, and then QuickBooks will import those transactions for you. This method keeps your financial records organized and up to date. You have to set a particular date every month to make sure you're downloading those transactions, that file that you need, and then make sure you're uploading it to your QuickBooks system. So to recap, connecting your bank and your credit card accounts to QuickBooks Online automates the transactions tracking. It saves you time and effort. And if automatic syncing isn't available for the bank that you choose, manual uploads can be a quick and easy solution for you as well. If you're ready to take full control of your finances and learn more, join us at the QuickBooks Online Scale Up Sessions, where we guide you step by step through this process and help you manage your QuickBooks Online system. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.